Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the monkey that might come into adopt me. Let's start. So first the monkey is the witch monkey, and it's ultra rare. And the second one we have the school monkey, and he's common. Gamer monkey, ultra rare. Master monkey, legendary. Hacker monkey, legendary. The ice queen monkey, legendary. Easter monkey, rare. Flower monkey, ultra rare. And finally the skeleton bone wings monkey, common. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.